In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see pending deposits in your Wells Fargo account. Whether you're waiting on a paycheck or a direct transfer from your savings, knowing how to check for pending deposits can give you peace of mind and help you manage your finances more effectively. To start, you'll need to open the Wells Fargo app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded the app, it is available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Having the app on your phone allows you to access your accounts on the go. So this is a highly recommended step for any Wells Fargo customer. Once you have the app up and running, go ahead and sign in with your username and password. Be sure your information is correct to avoid lockouts. After successfully logging in, you're going to want to navigate to the Accounts tab. This tab is basically the hub for all your financial information. Here you'll see a list of your accounts ranging from checking and savings to credit cards and loans. It's your one-stop view of all your engagements with Wells Fargo. Next, you'll need to select the specific account you wish to inspect. Perhaps it's your primary checking account where your employer deposits your salary. Tapping the particular account opens up more detailed information, including your current balance, recent transactions, and the much anticipated pending items. Now, the key focus is to look for the pending section within that account's page. You're searching for where it says pending deposits. This section is critical because it specifically highlights any deposits that have been initiated but not yet cleared and posted to your account. Once you locate the pending deposit, tap on it to view more details. This action will provide you with vital information such as the deposit amount and any relevant transaction specifics. Knowing these details can set your mind at ease, and having this information at your fingertips lets you forecast your account balance accurately. Finally, delve into the deposit information. Here, you'll find the exact amount being processed and the expected posting date. Translate this data into action by planning your expenses or confirming your budget. It ensures that you're not caught off guard by discrepancies in your account balance, and that's it. With these steps, you now understand how to see pending deposits in your Wells Fargo account using the app. Checking pending deposits regularly ensures you're always informed about the status of incoming funds, thereby empowering your financial planning. Keep this guide handy the next time you're waiting for that crucial deposit to clear, and join us again for more tips on mastering your online banking experience.